Hello to all my friends out there. So I couldn't go to the casino today. I had to do some stuff. So I made some chamomile tea, 4 cups. It's not quite done. I think this little teacup I got free at the Salvation Army holds about 1 cup. It's really a coffee cup. So I was thinking, you know what the smart thing to do, what would be smart to do? Just try to live off your stockpile. Oh no. Almost forgot to light my candle. At night I pray for everybody. Okay, so one thing I stockpile is soy milk, so I'll have that. I've never tried, oh, let me check this. I gotta get my black beans burgers out. Okay, I have never tried, yummy. Here's my black bean burgers. These are yummy. I have never tried soy milk in my tea before, but I don't see why it wouldn't be good. It's good in everything else. So, so if you're pretty much gonna live all the time like you're living on your stockpile, I like this one the best. But they have tea for a penny, but I'm cutting all the caffeine, so you know, and this one smells really good. I think it tastes better when it smells good. So, rule 2, I want to enjoy life every day. The casino is about walking. And, okay, I made some toast. My toast is a little too brown, but that's okay. It's gonna be yummy. Okay, so I have some good mustard that I bought at Smart and Final. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to the casino because I have to work on my eBay. You know, on eBay, you're not going to make any money if you don't work on it a little bit every day. But it's very important that I exercise and have fun every day too. Very important. Yummy. I made 2 black bean burgers, but I'm just going to, oh, I forgot the ketchup. Okay, I have done videos before on these black bean burgers, but I thought it would bear repeating. And the reason I thought it would bear repeating is because in your food bank hampers, look at that, you guys. In your food bank hampers, they give you black beans. You know, just because you get your food free, you still want to maximize your meal. You want to have nice meals. So here's my other burger. I can make another sandwich. Yummy. All right, let me taste this. So this is a good little meal. And I have some sugar-free cookies. Okay, so I'm getting rid of the tea unless it's herbal tea. And I'm getting rid of sugar by eating sugar-free cookies. You know, sometimes when you're getting off of a habit, at first you start cheating 50 times worse just at the thought of, these are good, you gotta try these. Anyone who's ever had bad habits knows what I'm talking about. Okay, now this is actually 3 recipes. Up here is my black bean recipe, black bean burger. And what I did was I drained and rinsed the black beans, minced onions. I made my own breadcrumbs with 2 pieces of bread. I toasted them and ground them in the blender. I used egg replacer, but you can use eggs. I had some mushrooms, some fresh mushrooms, but it could have been canned mushrooms or no mushrooms, garlic, salt, and pepper. And you want to put enough salt and pepper because, you know, beans are kind of blazola. And another thing on burgers, you need either to put the cheese in the burger, sometimes I do that, or on the burger. So I had 3/4 can black beans, and I made 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 1 can of black beans, you could make 8. You could use a recipe, you know, you could use this recipe to make salmon burgers. You could make tuna burgers. You could grind any meat. Okay, and then I have a fried bologna sandwich. This was from Henzo, one of the followers. Fried bologna with cheese. Now this one was good. I made this in the middle of the night. Boy, that was good. And then Sunny Always, he left a comment for fried potato and onion sandwich with bread, mayo, and ketchup. And I added hot dog and egg. Okay, on my black bean burgers, I fried my black bean burger in this shortening from Walmart. You can use olive oil. Dollar Tree has good oil, and the cookies came from Dollar Tree, and the tea came from 99 cents only. Okay, so you want to store wheat and barley. So I found barley, and I bought about a pound at Sprouts. This stuff's pretty cheap. And I bought some raisins because you want to store some kind of grapes, wine, raisins. I will make raisin breads and oatmeal cookies out of this. And I bought about a pound of non-GMO textured soy. Okay, one of the things that we lost some in these floods is soy. And on the soy, what you do is you just rehydrate it in some like bouillon cubes. And I bought some grape jam. I bought 2, but I gave 1 to my son. Oh, and thank you, Sit Off the Grid's mom. I bought one of those pork roasts at Sprouts that was on sale 99 cents. It looked really good, and I gave it to my son. You know, they have a big family, 2 people and a huge dog. You know, remember that wolf book I read? A wolf will eat 20 to 30 pounds of meat during a kill. I thought, yeah, I can see that if you have a big dog. Here's the cheese I used. I will be packing my freezer. Okay, the packing my freezer with these thin packages of food is going really, really good. There was something else. Oh. This is an acidic food, so if you can work these into your diet, I stockpile pickles, all kinds. So, okay, you guys, try the black bean burgers, especially if you have canned black beans from the food bank. And all things being equal, you know, for canned beans, you might want to go, you can make black bean, I guess you could use any kind of beans for these. And, but, you know, you might want to stock black beans because you can make black bean burgers. And then yesterday I made the black beans with the rice. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.